So what we're going to do now is we're going to coat a piece of cardboard with the HotWorx product. Now we're going to do a torch test. So here's the untreated cardboard, quickly chars, right? And you go across, and I go to the HotWorx product, and you can see it creates a protective barrier that is unable to ignite when compared to the material beside it. Here we're applying flammable brake clean to a metal surface. So now I'm going to coat 1/2 of it with HotWorx. As you can see, the coated material doesn't burn and is protected from ignition. It can also be used to quickly snuff out flames.